So this is how to turn on dividend reinvestments here on Wealthsimple. So once you guys open up Wealthsimple, just scroll down and select an account that you want to turn on dividend reinvestments for. So for example, in this demonstration, I would just go ahead and use my non-registered account. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. Once your account is selected, I want you to then go to the top right where there's the gear icon and then go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page, if you were to scroll down a little bit to where it says automations, there's going to be a bunch of different options right here, one of which is dividend reinvestments. In my case, it already is turned on. It'll say on. If it's not turned on, it'll say off. Go ahead and simply select dividend reinvestments. So once you're here, it'll be manage dividend reinvestments. You can go ahead and check the account, in my case, the non-registered account, as well as maybe some stocks right here that have eligible dividends to reinvest, which are showing right here. So you can go ahead and reinvest eligible dividends, automatically reinvest dividends for all eligible equities in your non-registered account. Go ahead and make sure that this is turned on. Then if you were to back out right here, it should be turned on just like that. So pretty simple, but that is how to turn on dividend reinvestments for Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.